How we doing, guys? Welcome to Trade Confident. I hope you guys are having a good one. Anybody else finding it maybe just a little bit harder to get up in the morning because the sun is not getting up as early as you? I kind of found that interesting. Guys, thanks for hanging out today. If you see anything you like in this video and you guys want to see it again, smash that subscribe button as well as the bell notification and the thumbs up button. And let's dive on into this. Guys, the breaking news that we need to be looking at today is long trades and short trades. I don't know if you guys are looking at this, but it is a precursor in the market that I think could actually push us into somewhat of a bullish week for Ethereum. We are also going to take a look today at what we call the stablecoin inflow and outflow. If we see certain things happen, this can be a very bullish week for us in cryptocurrency, so we want to be watching for that. I'm then going to move us into the video, guys, and show you the exact spot where I'm looking for the next best place to get money into this market before we see a pump up in Ethereum, as well as I'm going to show you guys where that crash point is, where if we hit it, we need to watch for a potential huge drop back down. And then we're going to end this video with something super fun. I'm going to show you guys how to trade with us. We're currently 440% higher than the S&P 500 for profits with our scalping strategy. And then I'm going to give you guys a discount on all of our indicators. So does that sound like a fun day to you guys? Let's dive on in here and let's start with the breaking news. We have long trades and short trades doing something interesting over here on Ethereum. Let's take a look at this. Price action right now on Ethereum is moving out of the market, okay? It's moving down. Usually what I expect from retail traders here with long trades is people to abandon their long trades, but I think we're getting more smart money entering the market right now than just regular retail traders, and they are actually coming in and they are buying the dip. We see price action moving down, long trades moving up, and then we actually, in the same duration, see a little bit of a dropout of short trades. This, to me, tells us that money is moving back into this market, and people are looking to buy the dip, because I think some people, guys, think we may be getting very close to the bottom before a turnaround. I'm going to show you guys an article on Bitcoin later this week of why I think we could start turning around really fast and a pump could be coming. But let's stay on Ethereum for today. Let me show you guys right now a little more of an inside tip here of what you need to watch very closely this week for a potential crash in Ethereum. What we saw over here was long trades drastically exit the market over here. This is about just after November. And this happened, funny enough, before the crash in Ethereum. Take a look at the second point of data. Long trades ended up dropping out of the market for Ethereum, and then retail traders got completely abandoned to the upside and an absolute crash back down. I do believe this was smart money taking their money out, the big institutions and whales, because they knew it was probably going to go up, but the biggest crash was yet to come. Interesting third point of data is look at this. Why would smart money be taking their money out of the market in an uptrend? It doesn't make sense. Well, it does make sense if they expect a drop back down. So I believe what we're seeing, guys, is peaks into the market. Not like peaks as in like hills and mountains. I'm saying like inside tips here where when we see long trades move out, it has been followed by massive moves down in cryptocurrency. So if we see a drop of long trades within, let's say, 24 to 72 hours, that could be the final and last leg down in cryptocurrency before we see a massive move back up. So please be watching that. Okay, you guys ready for another point of data you need to be watching over here? It is stablecoin inflow and outflow. The way you read this is this. It's very simple. As long as this blue line keeps moving down and as long as this green line keeps moving down, this means bullishness is entering back into the market. Now, why is that? USDT and USDC are stable coins in the market. And when people pour their money out of stable coins, this is when the market is going to flourish. That move up you see right here in price action for Ethereum is actually the decrease in stable coins right here. So what I want you guys to watch this week is as long as USDC keeps moving down here and we stay below this high, that shows us the macroeconomics of crypto means that people are pulling their money out of stable coins and they're getting excited about crypto again, and they're putting money back into the market. And this is a bullish sign for us to see an uptrend continue from Monday today all the way probably into Friday, as long as this keeps heading down. So watch that. Already moving into, to Monday, Tuesday, sitting here on Monday, we can see that we've actually dropped down. So this is actually a little bit of a bullish sign because we are seeing people take their money out of stable coins and enter it back into the market. All right, guys, let's go to number 2 point of this video. Where is that really just golden jackpot opportunity to get money back into the market? Let's assess this. What I want you guys to be watching for is the trend exhaustion, the price for swell money flow, and the top and bottom finder. Here's what I'm going to watch, guys. Trend exhaustion just needs to push back down to this bottom red section. Now, I've got a few points of data you guys need to look at. There's this point over here. Trend exhaustion got very low, and then we started to see a move back up. It got very low here, we started to see the move back up, and then it got very low over here, and some crazy things happened, mostly due to the FOMC meeting. So if you guys had some crazy price action and your indicators just didn't look as accurate, it's okay. The volatility on the FOMC meeting was just nuts, so it's all right. What I want to point out to you guys is this. When trend exhaustion is very low, we are looking for this move back up. This was a precursor to an uptrend in Bitcoin. Then we take a look at this value point over here, and then we saw a move back up. And then we see this point over here where, yes, it got a little crazy, but we saw a little bit of a jump in the market. So what I want you guys to be watching for specifically is trend exhaustion to come back down to the metric value right around here or back down to 0. And that is between 12 and is back down to 0. Watch those two metric values for trend exhaustion to get back down there, and that's where I'm looking for another pump. But we're going to use multiple confirmation here. Take a look now with me at the price versus whale money flow. What's been happening lately is whales have been taking their money out of the market. But I got an area here that I want to correlate to almost a perfect setup for the next jump, and it is the metric value here. We're going to look at the metric value there as well as here and right over there. Okay, when whale money flow got down to this value, we saw a jump in Ethereum right there. We saw a jump in Ethereum here. We saw a very nice jump in Ethereum there, as well as followed by a jump in Ethereum right there. Now, what is this metric value? This metric value places us right around this area. I'm gonna give you guys two. It's gonna be between 35 all the way down to about 26, 27. So 35 to 27. When whale money flow gets back into that area, I do think we could see a perfect setup with trend exhaustion, whale money flow to see another great area for us to enter in. Why? Because the structure of crypto that's tracked with the trend exhaustion is going to be low. Obviously, it's low, looking for the move back up, and we're already seeing it here. Whales are going to be selling out of the market, getting back to a place where they have historically bought back in, looking to raise the price. And guys, the last but not least is make sure you set up the buy signal on the top and bottom finder today. This is calling the bottoms of crypto better than any other metric or indicator in the market. It's how we are actually making money, guys, and it's how our account, I'll quickly show this to you guys, is up $2,117. All right. Here's what you need to do. Next time price action comes down here and you have that buy alert set up, it is going to be looking for an algorithm to look for a threshold to be broken. This uses a mini-max algorithm, so when the bottom threshold is hit and it says, look, price action is way oversold to the bottom side, it is then going to be looking for a buy signal to come out, and that's where we're looking for the move up. This doesn't use any oscillator, so it's using an algorithm of mathematics to calculate this. So the three things you guys need to be watching for the next best entry is this: a buy signal to go off, trend exhaustion down to the bottom red section, as well as whale money flow down into those areas that I showed you guys to those specific metric values. Okay, now let's transition to this part before I show you guys how you can trade with us. I want you to watch this. This is the point where we need to watch where is the next place in the market where I think the biggest crash is going to come. Because look, we can get that next buy signal. And trust me, I'm going to buy back into the market when the next buy signal happens, because that's going to come out, as well as whale money flow is going to be low, trend exhaustion is going to be low, and it's going to be great. Set those up on your charts today. But once we start moving up, I want everybody to pay attention to the 50% Fibonacci retracement in the market, and it's at a golden zone, and it's right around this level. Now, why is this important? Let me continue this further. This wick value low, which is now resistance, is right around the same area. These wick value lows here are around the same area, as well as this resistance is at this golden Fibonacci retracement. Now, if I had to come out and show you guys an exact price, I think the exact price we need to be looking at is 1,527. That is the next spot where it's correlated undeniably to structure resistance as well as a 50% Fibonacci retracement. 1,527 is where I'm expecting the next biggest drop back down in Ethereum. All right, guys, let's move now into the last part, which is my most exciting part of the video to talk about. Guys, let's talk about scalping trades. We are 440% higher than the S&P 500, and we are not going to stop calling scalping trades out. So all you guys need to do is come over to tradeconfident.io to our homepage, and then go over here to pricing, and then you guys will see this. All we are charging you guys is just simply a small $75 a month. And we're working for you every day to call out scalping trades for you on crypto. We also go live with you on coaching every single month, and you guys will get access to the macro metrics, which is the long and short trade data on Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as the USDC and USDT inflow and outflows, as well as the well and institutional smart money, which we didn't even get a chance to go over today. But on top of that, you guys get the top and bottom finder on the daily time frame for all the top 20 cryptos, as well as the stocks. This is an absolute steal, guys. Make sure you sign up for that. But as promised, I told you guys I would give you a discount on all the indicators. So here we go. Guys, make sure you snag the bundle pack. This is going to include the trend exhaustion, as well as the price for swell money flow, as well as 7 other indicators you guys can use on your charts. This is literally discounted 82% off our retail value. You guys will get the source codes. It is a one-time purchase, lifetime access. Here is possibly the best part about this. Purchase this, and right after checkout with the source codes, I've included a PDF called Surprise Gift. It is a 53% off coupon code for the top and bottom finder, our brand new indicator. You guys are literally going to get $400 off the top and bottom finder when you guys purchase the bundle pack first. If you guys have purchased the bundle pack in the past, just email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com, and we will just email you the 35% off coupon code. But make sure you guys set up the bundle pack first, and then get the top and bottom finder, and wait for that next buy signal, because we are using these indicators to scalp the market and make money. Guys, I love you so much. Until we get to have fun and hang out again here on YouTube, make sure you guys subscribe. All the links you need for the indicators are in the description, as well as the membership, so you guys can start trading with us. I hope you guys have a fantastic Monday. Remember to subscribe, get that 53% off coupon code, set up the alerts for the next buy signal on the top and bottom finder, and let's trade this market and make some more money. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.